English with kids.
English with kids.
Keep the toys tidy.
Keep the toys tidy.
You are a smart baby.
You are a smart baby.
Do you want to play outside?
Do you want to play outside?
Wear your helmet.
Wear your helmet.
Be kind to animals.
Be kind to animals.
Don't scribble on the walls.
Don't scribble on the walls.
Stay in line.
Stay in line.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Say excuse me.
Say excuse me.
Don't touch it, it's hot.
Don't touch it, it's hot.
Don't climb on that.
Don't climb on that.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Keep the book on the table.
Keep the book on the table.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Where is your bag?
Where is your bag?
Use your fork and spoon.
Use your fork and spoon.
Be careful with the knife.
Be careful with the knife.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Don't spill your juice.
Don't spill your juice.
Finish your homework before playing.
Finish your homework before playing.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Drink your water.
Drink your water.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go shopping.
Time to go to the bed.
Time to go to the bed.
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
Don't eat too much candy.
Don't eat too much candy.
Respect your elders.
Respect your elders.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't do this.
Don't do this.
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Chew well.
Chew well.
Don't play in the street.
Don't play in the street.
Close the door.
Close the door.
What's the homework for today?
What's the homework for today?
Stop talking in the classroom.
Stop talking in the classroom.
Put your books in the bag.
Put your books in the bag.
You are almost late.
You are almost late.
Switch off the fan.
Switch off the fan.
Get up early in the morning.
Get up early in the morning.
What is the time now?
What is the time now?
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Give it back.
Give it back.